Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pumpkin blondies. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a heat-proof bowl and place in your butter and white chocolate, melt the two together and whisk until they are fully combined. Then you can go ahead and add in your brown sugar and just whisk that in until it's fully incorporated. You may think it's a little bit weird looking now, but don't worry. Once you add the pumpkin in and whisk that in, you'll notice that the consistency changes, and that's due to the amount of moisture that is in the pumpkin. And then just whisk this until it's completely smooth. Then you can add in your dry ingredients. With the spices I will give you what I use, but you may want to use more or less depending on your spice tolerance. Then just fold the dry ingredients in using a spatula. I find this the best way, but feel free to use the whisk if you really want to. And once you've mixed them in a little bit, don't forget to then add in your white chocolate chips. These are optional, but I find that they really work and complement the batter very well. You can then go ahead and grab yourself a 8-inch cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper. Then pour your blondie batter directly into it. And you may think this doesn't look right, but due to the light brown sugar and the pumpkin, it will look slightly different. Just spread it out until it's in all the corners and the level and layout is pretty consistent. Then optionally you can add in some white chocolate spread. This just adds some creaminess and really helps complement the pumpkin and spices. Take dollops of it and place it on top, then swirl it through until you have a pretty pattern. All the white chocolate spread has been distributed throughout the batter, then bake it off. Before you place it into the oven, I had these sprinkles that I want to use up, but if you don't have them, you don't have to. I just sprinkled them on top just to add some more colour and texture, but again you can leave them out. All the baking times and temperatures will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. This is the following day once they've been baked and been in the fridge for around 8 or 10 hours. It makes them easier to cut up and intensifies the flavour, so trust me, do that, it really helps and works. Then you can cut them up into as many or as few pieces as you like. For this recipe I went with 8 portions, but feel free to cut it into 9, 6, 16, the number is up to you. So once you've decided on how you're going to cut your blondies up, you can do that, and then this is what they look like once they are fully done. You've got this kind of autumnal brown colour, I'm going to call it, and as you can tell, it's got that more baked edge, the gooier centre, you can see the chocolate chips, it's perfect. So that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed, bye guys.